So we're going to pretend that this is heroin. So then this is our quantity that we're going to use. So it's a pretty small amount there. And then the water here, we just, for heroin, we just fill that bottle cap up. All right, so go ahead and
So the way you're mixing it is about what you need to do.
you just want to make sure it's dissolved. So this is the fentanyl test strip. So on this particular brand of strip, there's like a little tiny picture of a hand. That's the side that you hold. And then there's also a little picture of water waves, and that's the side that goes in the solution. And you want it to go in about up to that line there. Okay, and then if you look at it from the side, you can see there's like red. You can see that little layer of red in there. That's the indicator that's going to tell us whether or not we've got fentanyl. So just leave it in there for like maybe 15 seconds is enough to get it going. So what we're going to see is the liquid is running inside. There's like a little plastic coating there, but the liquid has now started running up the actual test card. So it hasn't gone all the way to the top yet, but that's okay. I'm going to just take it and lay it down. It takes about a minute for the test result to develop. So here I'm just using plain water. So again, same deal. There's the part that goes in the water. Here I'm just going to be careful I don't dip it in too far. I just want it to go right in the water, but I don't want to put it in all the way.
So you're kind of waiting till you see the water going up?
Yeah, because I want to make sure there's enough water that's like loaded in that pad area. So there it is now, coming up. Once you see the water coming up, there's enough water that's stored in this part of the test that it'll keep developing, even if you take it out. Okay, so again, this is our positive, this is our negative. And we'll let that go. So you can already see that this test here, we're developing 2 lines, not 1 line. And 2 lines means it's safe. There's not enough fentanyl in there to be dangerous.
So tell me again on here why it only develops 1 line.
This is just because of the way the test works. So the way this test works is that if there's fentanyl in the sample, then it will prevent the red stuff from binding on this bottom line. Okay, so because this one doesn't have fentanyl, it will bind on the bottom line, and then it always binds on the top line.
So in the top line is just kind of a control line?
Yeah, the top, that's exactly right. It's called the control line, and the bottom line is called the test line.
So what if you were to get no
If
lines?
you don't see any lines, then that means the test didn't work, and you should repeat the test.
Okay.
So we've seen that before with somebody asked if the test would work if you ran it in alcohol instead of water. So I got some vodka, and it doesn't work. So,
okay.
you know, even if that line down there is very, very faint, that means that it's a negative result.